Whether you are part of a medium-sized enterprise, a large corporate, or even a sprawling conglomerate, IDU understands that you have specialized needs. Distilling the information from different departments can make you feel like you're lost in space, surrounded by data and spreadsheets. IDU-Concept allows you to simply and powerfully tie together the information you receive from cost centers into an integrated budget. Line managers are empowered to take responsibility for their budgets because they provide the numbers and the system is easy to use. IDU-Concept provides an integrated solution that lets you drill down to examine the finest detail, but leaves you with enough time to keep a sharp eye on the financial health of the company as a whole. Budgets are the cogs that drive the forward motion of a company. Unfortunately, they are often rendered useless by the process behind them. In a typical budget cycle, spreadsheets are prepared by the finance department and distributed to cost centers. Line managers populate the spreadsheets, and they are collected and consolidated by finance. Often, spreadsheets are altered or incorrectly completed. The finance department is left to untangle costs and collate this into one centralized document. Management accepts and signs off the budget. No, wait, that never happens. They never accept budget the first time around, and so, inevitably, the budget is rejected and finance reverts back to the cost centers for revisions. This cycle continues, taking up valuable time and increasing cost to the company. Often, in an attempt to limit this time and cost, after a number of alterations, senior management will instruct the budgets to be finalized and accountants will alter them centrally. Line management's ownership of the budget is negated, and there is likely to be reluctance in terms of accountability for actual versus budget spend. The typical budget takes a long time to complete and is inflexible, with limited ability to make real-time amendments. An ideal solution is a collaboration between management across disciplines, with finance providing input and direction. The solution should allow end users to budget and rebudget their activities in real time and independently of other departments, regions, and divisions, whilst automatically giving online aggregation of multiple hierarchical structures. Users become accountable, empowered, and responsible, providing a platform for positive actual versus budget management at cost center level. Budget cycles are reduced from months to weeks. The finance department is free to focus on the budget process, timelines, anomalies, and providing financial guidance to non-financial managers. Typical enterprise reporting tools are focused on top-down reporting. Senior management reporting tools are complex and multidimensional, but end users tend to have only paper-based reporting, such as spreadsheets, at their disposal. Valuable detail and insight as it relates to individual cost centers is lost because of the resources at the disposal of the cost center. Senior management has powerful tools, but without the necessary data from further down the chain, these tools are less effective than they could be. For reporting to really work for a company, the information needs to flow both ways. An ideal reporting process allows for valuable input from the grassroots of the organization, thereby improving the overall quality of the data. Ideal reporting gives managers at every point in the system tools they can interact with easily without having to access the complex financial system. Managers are able to take real ownership and be truly accountable for their own financial data. To turn your budget and reporting processes from a typical situation to an ideal situation, you need a tool that is web-based with plenty of user-defined functions. IDU-Concept is an online, real-time budgeting, forecasting, and management reporting tool that focuses on the flow of information within your organization. The solution pushes information up through the organization as well as back down. IDU-Concept streamlines management interaction with the financial system and establishes a platform of ownership. The result is radical improvement in the effective management of any business using the system. The system is modular, allowing for the product to grow with your business and respond to your unique requirements. Modules include financial budgeting, financial reporting, revenue budgeting, revenue reporting, asset management, analytics, and administration. users benefit from the web-based functionality and automated data entry. Even non-financial managers and users with only limited financial knowledge can navigate the system, their accounts, and budgets with ease. Cost centers are truly empowered through the participatory experience. Companies using IDU-Concept have already experienced budget cycles reduced from months to weeks, and the system has the ability to reforecast within days. A typical enterprise resource planning solution will budget a value for an account for a year and provide an additional facility to split this over the financial periods within the year. IDU-Concept goes so many steps further. With our system, you can build a budget item by item for certain accounts, or even build budgets based on units with linked components, computing budgets for more accounts based on a single unit driver. You can budget manpower costs by grade or by person. You can create seamless CapEx budgets and automatically compute depreciation, acquisition costs, and disposal costs. IDU-Concept allows you to automatically compute budgets for accounts based on preset allocation percentages and rules. The system can provide budget information by account, from pre-populating values to providing guidelines for data input. The IDU-Concept tool makes budget capture simple and fast. The real power of the system lies in the web-based, real-time aggregation of values to provide instant summaries of total budget values by region, division, company, or using any other administrator-defined summary. The diverse functionality within the system meets budgeting requirements across industries. The IDU-Concept financial reporting module is a two-way interface between the budget and the general ledger system. The module builds on the advances of the financial budgeting module and allows for the delivery of daily, weekly, or monthly financial information to managers via the web. The intuitive, customized user interface allows for the analysis of variance between actual and budget, comparative years, and forecasts. An administrator is able to set tolerances to highlight adverse variances that exceed predetermined levels in both percentage or value terms. To assist in understanding the variances, the system supports drill down from the highest level to individual account, the underlying nominal journal entry, and even an image of the invoice and purchase order. As the cherry on top, the system allows the line manager to capture comments explaining variances. A revenue target is a figure set by a company for a salesperson to achieve. A revenue budget, on the other hand, is an informed forecast of the expected company revenue by the salesperson. In order to create an informed revenue budget forecast, companies need a clear understanding of their per-unit costs for production, planning, and pricing. The IDU-Concept revenue budgeting module allows you to budget down to the finest detail. These could be per salesperson, customer, product line, or SKU. The result is real-time aggregation and management. The user-friendly system allows for the linking of many components to single unit drivers, creating a powerful budgeting tool, which drives the cost of sales as well as top-line revenue numbers. The IDU-Concept revenue reporting module facilitates real-time analysis of sales data, allowing managers to easily monitor the performance of sales teams. The real-time aggregation analysis by product, salesman, region, and customer results in an efficient management tool. The reporting module allows you to compare multiple sets of data and comment on variances based on user-defined levels. It also allows for comment on anticipated sales outcomes versus actual sales. The IDU-Concept revenue modules allow management to set realistic goals and targets for their sales teams, resulting in a sense of ownership and accountability that otherwise would not exist. The Asset Management module is designed to facilitate and streamline the monitoring, verification, and management of fixed assets. The module provides a user-friendly interface to your organization's asset register and can accommodate multiple companies, asset books, cost centers, and asset hierarchies. Fundamentally, the module gives users access to the assets they are responsible for. At the same time, it provides a tool to allow users to indicate asset disposals and transfers, which automatically notifies the custodian of the asset register for action. This reduces paper use and provides absolute control by the asset register manager. The most exciting function the IDU-Concept asset management module offers is the verification of the existence and condition of assets by users. This process is managed centrally but actioned locally, so full asset counts can be achieved in a matter of days rather than months. The analytics module of IDU-Concept provides dashboarding capabilities at the click of a button. Line managers are empowered to configure and deliver innovative reporting to management and the business as a whole with no IT assistance. The analytics module comes standard with a pre-configured set of models integrated with the IDU-Concept database and delivers immediate value to users. Applications can be customized to meet the specific needs of our users. The Administrator module is a powerful tool that allows the user to control the IDU-Concept environment, from managing system access to defining the screen layouts. Pivotal to the system is the management of fiscal sets and structures. The fiscal sets are many sets of data that can be created and managed within the system. Structure refers to the facility to provide different views of the data. The administrator can create different hierarchical structures above the same base set of data in a truly drag-and-drop environment. Field labeling and layout profiles allow the administrator to rename common fields and customize the screen appearance to suit the requirements of their environment. IDU software was established in 1998 to deliver financial value-add products to supplement enterprise resource planning and financial systems. Our core product is IDU-Concept. The solution is designed to provide a comprehensive, user-friendly budgeting application and streamline management interaction with financial systems. IDU-Concept has a number of unique modules and submodules with the ability to reduce your budget cycle from months to weeks, freeing up line managers and financial teams alike to attend to their core functions within the company. IDU-Concept is a globally tried and tested, dedicated budgeting solution. Our clients range from medium to large-size corporates across all industries and sectors. Our competitively priced system is easy to use for both financial and non-financial managers and offers a remarkable short-term return on investment. As a general rule, we believe that if you have more than 10 managers involved in the budget process, or your budget cycle is taking more than a month, you are a prospective client, and we would like to offer our solution to you.